Hello everybody. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So the yarn enabler strikes again. I do. I'm sorry. I don't mean to enable. I just I like to help people find good deals. And I like to get good deals too, so I like to, just get good deals. So you've seen the picture. I did buy more Hobbii cake bags because the deal is outstanding. It's an outstanding deal. How can you pass up the deal on them Hobbii Lucky cake bags? I can't do it. I mean, this is like the third time I bought them. And I don't even like 2-weight yarns. But I'm going to start, I actually have another shawl on the hook using a 2-weight, one of these things. I mean, I'm not a fan of it. I don't like it, but it is what it is, I got them all. I'm going to give, some, I'm going to get rid of some, but might as well use a couple of them. Do you guys want to see what's in the bag? It's not what's in the box. It's what's in the bag, man. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's see what's in these. So if you're not familiar with Hobbii, I always have to tell everybody, Hobbii is H-O-B-B-I-I. It's based in Denmark. They sell a lot of nice yarns. I find them to be rather expensive myself. But when they have sales, they have very, very good sales. And that's when I always buy, when they have good sales. Because then you can get some really nice yarn for inexpensive prices. Now, lately I've been showing these. They're called Lucky bags. They have them in acrylic and in cotton, in wool, which I've had all those before. But my favorite by far are their Lucky cake bags. There's 4 cakes in there. Now those cakes are normally expensive, but the bag itself is $40, so you're paying $10 a cake, okay, which is an excellent price if you take a look how much they are on on the original price of them. Let's open it up. I got a few. It's always a few with me. I got a few, just a few. Only thing with these cake bags is there's nothing wrong with them. They just don't have a label. But you can just look it up on their side and you can tell exactly what it is. Woo! Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, I got some I've never got before. Let me bring their side up. All right, let's look. So, these I have got in my mystery bags quite a bit. Now, a brand that Hobbii sells is called Cotton Kings. There's a few different varieties of the Cotton Kings. Now, these are the Cotton King Sultan Shadow. They call that because it's got the black around it, okay? They're very beautiful, and they're made up of 4 strands of a lightweight yarn, but together they equal about a 2-weight. So yes, now originally the Sultan Shadows are I think they're on sale now. I don't know, $22, okay, a cake. So that's for one, and they are I think they're 100% cotton. Let's check it out. They are 100% cotton, 875 yards. So there's enough there to make a top, probably, maybe 2 for yourself, or a shawl if you wanted to. So I got this one, which I've had before. This is the teal and black, beautiful. And then I got a blue and black, beautiful. And then I got an orange and black, beautiful. And then I got this one, which is a Sultan Cotton King as well, but it is not the shadow version. I've never had that one, and I love a good red. That's beautiful. These are all the same specs, except for they don't have, they're not the shadow. They don't have the black around them. Those are beautiful. So right there in that bag was over $80 worth of cakes, and that I got for $40. The only thing is they just don't have a label. Killer deal. Killer. Let's look at the next one. Let's see what we got up in this one. More Sultan. This is the Sultan Cotton King Sultan Shadow. So that I told you. So I got 2 of those now. Nice. And then this one is my favorite of all the Sultan Shadows. Isn't that one beautiful? I think this one's called Curry and Black, or I don't remember. I had the site pulled up, but it went away, so it's just gone now. I'll find it, and I'll tell you what it is. You got to know the name of it. So yes, this is the Sultan King Black and Curry. It's very beautiful. The Sultan King Shadow. I'm sorry, the Shadow is the one that has the black around it. They got quite a few Cotton Kings, so I can't mix them up. Okay, now these are 2 I've never gotten before. These are the Cotton King Sultan, regular Sultan. They have the four strands as well. It's like the red I just showed you. This one's orange. Look at that beauty. It reminds me of somebody. You know who you are. You know who you remind me of. This one you can look on their site, and this one is called Poppy Topaz. Oh, I love it. I love poppies. Nice. That's beautiful. Look at this one. Never had this one either. This was the regular Sultan, not the Shadow. It's very, very pastel. See if I can find the name of it for you. I can't. There's so many. I don't know which one it is. I bet it's this one. Okay, I think it's that one. I think it's called Amethyst. It looks like it could be amethyst. It's beautiful. Anyways, so again, these are like $22 a ball. So over $80 worth of cakes I got for $40. Let's look at another bag. Want to? Let's look at another bag. I hope you have as much fun opening these as I do. Okay, so these are their these are their Cotton Kings Sultan Deluxe. Okay, I like these. I do. I like these a lot. These are beautiful. That one is a bit came undone. It came unrolled. A look at that beautiful rainbow on that one. Wowzers. Beautiful. So the Cotton King Sultan Deluxe is not 4 strands put together. It's a solid 2-weight yarn there. And look at the colors on that one. Now these are on a regular price. These are $33.60 a piece. I know. Never ever pay that. Never pay that. They do have them on sale now for $21. But at a regular price of $33.60 is an extremely outrageous price. Well, you know, that's only me talking. I wouldn't pay that much for it. I don't think I ever have. I don't think that I have. The color of this one is called a Rainbow Jewel. So these are a little different. These have more yardage. Like I said, they are a solid strand, a 2-weight. They're not 4. It's going to have a very beautiful transitioning effect of the rainbow. These are 100% cotton. Soft cotton too. Now there are almost 1,100 yards in one of these. Nice. Okay, and then I got this light purple one. I got this last time. Now I decided this is probably a color that they just don't have on their website because I can't find it. I was told that sometimes they have cakes that are the colors that are not on their website that they put in these bags. So I'm just going to say that that is what this one is. And it's beautiful anyways. It's still a Cotton King, same amount of yardage, and Cotton King Deluxe. And then they have this gray one. I love this one. This came in another mystery bag of mine. I think they have this on their site, but I'm not certain. I think I found it last time. I don't remember what it's called. But it is, remember, it is the Cotton King Sultan Deluxe. It's not the Shadow, and it's not the regular. It's the Deluxe. It's the king of all Cotton Kings. It's beautiful. And then I got another rainbow. Oh, wait. What's going on? These are different. Look at that. Maybe I told you wrong. I could have told you wrong. Okay, yeah. This one's the Rainbow Jewel. Well, what's this one? This one's gorgeous. This seems like one I've had before. This one's called, oh, maybe I got it in my last one. Maybe not. Andamuka Opal. Andamuka Opal. That's pretty. I like that. So those are similar but different. You can see this one is lacking the purple, but it's still very pretty. Now, there's 4 cakes in that bag. Now, on a regular price, that would be, if they were regular, you know, over $30 a piece, you know, you're looking at over $120 worth of cakes that I got for $40. So, how can you really even say no to that? Even if you hate 2-weight yarns like me, it's a deal that you can't pass up, because I can donate these locally to my local peeps and that like to crochet and put them in giveaways and donate to my friends here on YouTube and stuff like that. I got another bag. Let's see what's in it. This video is not going to be very long. Okay, these are more of the Salt and Shadows. So the ones with the black around them. So I got another teal. Wowzers! Another blue. Wow! Another orange. Boom. And then I got this beautiful yellow, which I've had before, which reminds me of my favorite Freddie Mercury. I'm going to make something with that yellow in honor of Freddie. I love that one. Okay, I have one more bag to show you before I go. And I can tell right now that this one contains the King of all kings, the Sultan Deluxe. I can tell by feeling it. These are a little bit stiffer feeling in the bag. That's how I can tell what's in it. As opposed to these are bigger and squishier. They're all beautiful though. Alright. Okay, so in this one I got another purple. So I got 2 of those. Remember, these are $33.60 a piece. That's crazy. On a regular price. I got another gray. Nice. It's crazy that they're $33.60 on a regular price, but it's also crazy that they put 4 of them in a bag for $40 for $10 a piece. Kind of shows you that maybe they're just a little overpriced on the on the scale, but maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, then I got another one of these, which is the Andamuka Opal. I think that's what it is. So I have 2 of those if I want to make a beautiful blanket or top. And I have another color here that's rainbow, but it's pastel. Oh, that's gorgeous. My daughter would love that one. I think I see that one too. I do. This one's called Chameleon. That's gorgeous. I love them all. They're all so pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed this. This is like I don't know. So many times I've unboxed these. I'm not going to get any more because I have so many now. But you know what? I want you to look for a giveaway soon, because I'm going to have to give away some of these. So I'm going to put some in a giveaway. But for now, I am going to keep a couple of the yellows. I have more than this. I even have some I didn't even open on camera. I'm ashamed to tell you that, but whatever, I did it. It's probably not a shock to you guys. Anyways, I do have quite a few. I have quite a few of all these colors that I just showed you. So, and I can't keep them all, but I am going to keep 2 yellows for a Freddie Mercury inspired project. I'm going to keep this one for my daughter, and one of these maybe. I wish I would have got another one with the purple on it. I do. I don't have another one of these. Dang it! I might have to buy more bags to try to get this one. I could just buy it outright, but it's more fun to buy the bags because it's almost cheaper just to buy the bags, because you get 4 cakes instead of just paying for one. You know what I mean? They're $10 a piece, and instead of just paying for one, I might as well just pay a little bit more and get 4 cakes. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I won't open them on camera though, so you won't. It's too much. It's too many hobby cakes now. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you had a good time. Hit up the hobby cake lucky bags. My gosh, it's a steal. It's a steal. Love you all. Stay safe, okay? Bye, guys.